Greetings, friends. As always, it's an extremely high honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. Friends, while I have you here, I just wanted to present a little tip. As you know, I'm in my 70s now and I'm not able to lift these heavy tires. Well, I happened to be out on the road and I had a flat tire a few weeks ago. So I called AAA to come and change the tire for me. And a young gentleman showed up and he had one of those electric guns. I mean, this one here is air powered, but he had an electric gun. And what he was doing was he would place the lug nut in the gun and then try to zap it onto the wheel like that. And he cross-threaded two of my studs. And he was wondering why he couldn't get them the rest of the way on. So I told him, forget it, I'll take care of it. And I just drove it home with only 3 lug nuts really attached. But what you need to do when you're using one of these guns is start every one of these by hand. Put each one on. And this may be common sense to many of you, but I just want to point it out in case it is not. But once you've got them all started by hand, then you can have at it with your gun if you want. Alright, I'm going to get my torque wrench and torque those. I torqued them to 120 pounds. So I'll do that off camera. That's all I've got, friends. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I will post 2 videos to your left. One will be that original video of the tire dolly when I reviewed it. And the other will be something I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So thanks again, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.